everyone, and welcome to the SIMmetry tutorial series. This tutorial on shadow query will provide you with the steps to calculate the sun-shadow ratio in a specified area over a selected time span. The output of the analysis is a point feature layer that graphically represents the sun-shadow ratio at different points in the specified area. Each point in the feature layer is color-coded according to its sun-shadow ratio. To begin this tutorial, let us go over where the shadow query tool can be accessed. To access the shadow query, on the ribbon menu, click on the Analysis tab. Then in the Shadow group, click Shadow Analysis and select Shadow Query. The Shadow Query dialog box is then displayed. To use the Shadow Query tool, select one of the Create As options, Layer Entire or Layer Streaming. Next, choose from the following: Global Shadow, Selection Shadow, and Selection Shadow Supplement. The Global Shadow option measures the sun-shadow ratio for each query point based on the shadow cast by all objects in the project. The Selection Shadow option measures the sun-shadow ratio for each query point based only on the objects selected in the selection shadow. And the last option is the Selection Shadow Supplement, which measures the sun-shadow ratio for each query point based only on shadows cast exclusively by the objects selected in the selection shadow. Next, choose your spacing value. This will determine the horizontal and vertical spacing between query points. Then, enter values for the min and max altitude. After determining the min and max values, select the required time zone. Then select start and end times of the query. Once the time zone and start and end times have been determined, select in minutes the interval. After parameters have been set, select from one of the following methods to designate the area: follow line, fill area, and selected group. The follow line method creates query points along a drawn line. All you have to do is, in the 3D window, left click to place the line waypoints and right click to complete the drawing. The fill area method creates query points inside a drawn polygon. And finally, the selected group method creates query points along all lines or inside polygons in the selected feature layer. We went over how to calculate sun-shadow ratio in a specified area and time span in our project. This concludes the tutorial on shadow query. For more information, refer to Chapter 14, Analysis tab, and SIMmetry's user manual. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.